Good morning everybody, and welcome to Wildlife and Nature Vlog number 16. I've moved away from the meadows today. I'm in a new location, and in theory I shouldn't have any problems finding any wildlife or nature subjects. To find out why, stay tuned. For those of you that have chosen to buy me a coffee in support of the channel, this is the type of place where your very kind donations will be used. So this morning I've come to a nature reserve, which is about 20 minutes drive from where I live. It's in a place called Rufford, and the nature reserve is called Mere Sands Wood. Now I've been here quite a few times, but many years ago. I used to bring my kids here when they were in the pushchairs and just wheel them around all these paths just to get them to sleep really, and just get some fresh air. It's a really nice nature reserve, and I've also been here for a fungi walk many years ago with a quite well-known expert in that field, or in these woods. I've forgotten her name, but I will put a link just up here for that video that I did, and it was several years ago, so I apologise for the camera work. But anyway, it was very interesting and I learnt quite a lot. So I've got the day off today, so I thought I'd come out to this nature reserve since it's on my doorstep, and there's quite a few hides for bird watching, so I'm hoping to take some photographs, and I'm just going to see what we can find. So as I say, there shouldn't be any problems finding any wildlife or nature subjects. Well, here's our first source of fungi. Looks like a sort of form of turkey tail in its early stages, just clinging onto that log, a fallen log. I think we're going to find quite a bit of fungi today. Now that's a species of plant I've never seen before. If anybody can tell me what that is, then please leave a comment below. I think that might be quite rare. Now, although I've been here before several times, it is a long while ago, and I've forgotten how good it actually is. It's amazing. Just have a look around. Lovely forests, lots of fern, all sorts, blackberries, and I can already smell stinkhorn, otherwise known as Phallus impedicus. If I can get a photo of that, you'll realise why it's called that. But yeah, if it wasn't for that plane going overhead, it'd be lovely and peaceful. Some more fungi. This tree stump is absolutely covered in it. Loads. Coming thick and fast now. Bracket fungi on this silver birch. That's very similar to the one that I see in my woodland. I wish it was my woodland. I've just seen another fungi on the floor there. Looks like an earth ball. There's another little one over there. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of fungi today, I think. This particular woodland is where I first saw my first ever fly agaric. The unmistakable look of the fly agaric. Well, it's what everybody thinks as a toadstool or a mushroom. That's the image that everybody thinks of. Right, I'm just going to show you this in front of me. Well, you can see that through the trees. But if I remember rightly, that is a bat roost. Let's take a closer look. That is one big structure for bats. Wow, look at the size of that. That's like the Hilton for bats. Spotted this, and then I found, go in here, there's your phallus impedicus. Those are the eggs, and there's the phallus. See what I mean? And there's no right way of saying this, but that's a beauty. You can see the egg there, which is like a gel-like mush. It really does smell. That's why it's called the stinkhorn. And then this just erupts out of the egg and doesn't last very long. You can see there's quite a few around here. There's another one that's past its best. And there's another egg there. You can just see it starting to split. That'll erupt very soon. Phallus impedicus, or the stinkhorn. That's one I've never seen before. I've seen it in books. I'll have to check the name on that one. This one's called the birch polypore, Pictoporus betulinus. And as the name suggests, it likes the birch tree. Right, well, sadly, that brings us to the end of this walk around Mere Sands Wood. I've had a fantastic morning. I'm definitely coming back here again. There's so many paths just going in and out of the woodland, down to the hides by the lake. It's a fantastic place, so peaceful, and the plane's not going overhead. Seen loads of fungi. It's been really good. I've really enjoyed it. So if you've enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.